Hey you guys, it's Nathan back with another video. Today we're looking at the smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. This is the MSG 100 and works with Google and Amazon Alexa. And we've got the brand here, Lomota. And this ended up costing me just under $30. And basically what it is you've got a garage door, and the garage door opener works just fine, but you don't have the clicker anymore for it, or you want to make it a smart garage door. You can get this, and it should give you some super awesome, information as far as whether your garage door is open or closed, and how well this is going to work. But yeah, we'll see what we've got here. Okay, we've got what's inside the packaging here. We've got the one signal control cable. We have USB adapter, 4 screws. We've got the door sensor, all this stuff. Okay, here we go. So we've got the door sensor thing, which is gonna go up here against the door, so it'll come to each other. See how that's going? This goes to the 2 ports. Then we have the app that's going to come with it. So I'm going to get installing this, and then you guys will be along for the ride. Alright, so we got the pieces of the puzzle here, you guys. We've got the garage sensor with the adhesive strips, and we've got the screws in here as well. Then we've got the main device, Lomota, and basically you've got for power, then you've got these 2 lines which will be for the sensor, and then you have these 2 which is going to plug into your connectors on your garage door, and then you have your brick which goes in for your power. Alright, so let's install this. Alright, so I'm going to be installing this device, and I'm going to connect the 2 wires to the black and to the white leads here, which are the center connection and the right connection. Had to call my brother to double check which one's correct, but it should be right. It shouldn't matter which one, whether the blue or the brown wire I connect, because all it's doing is creating a circuit, connecting the 2 wires together when I command it to open or close. Alright, very good. Alright, you guys, so to answer the question, did it work? Let me explain. So I plugged in the device up here at the outlet up top. I plugged it in, I hooked it up to the 2 cables, and then I ran the process of pushing the button down, holding it for 3 or 5 seconds, trying to go through the connection process. I tried several times, it wasn't working. Then what I did was I took it inside near where my router is, plugged it into just an outlet inside, and then I was able to pair it. Then I unplugged the device, took it back out, plugged it back in. It remembered the network that I connected it to, and then it worked perfectly with the app, and everything's just fine. So now it's just a matter of hooking up the sensors, but that shouldn't be a big problem. But I am very happy. Takes a super old garage door opener and makes it something now it's Wi-Fi enabled, smart, and it was only about $30. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Bye.